How to get free domain for website 2025. Not only do you get the domain, you also get your DNS. So you can create a new DNS and then you can optimize your DNS. So from Google, simply come to the Google search and then come and then type in freedomain.one, just like this one, and then hit enter. When it comes, simply scroll through and then find the official site of freedomain.one and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this platform whereby you can get 100% free domain with no ads. All that you have to do is simply come in and put in your preferred name. So I'm going to call my blogging tools X. And then after that, all that you have to do is simply come in and select any of these, okay, by clicking on the down arrow. You can choose any of these, but I'm simply going to select the .com. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first one, and then after that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on check availability. Okay, so it's going to check if it is available and then you can use it. Okay, so as you can see, mine is available, and then come and click on claim this name. So when you click on it, what you have to do is simply come and then sign up for an account. If you don't have an account already, by simply coming here to where it says sign up for a new account and then you click on it. So over here, you have to come and then put your username, your password. You come and then you come and confirm your password, okay? And then you come and then type in your email address here. So after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then type in what you see right here by clicking here. And then it is going to bring this code, okay? And then you come and then type in what you see right here, and then after that simply come and then click on the sign up. Okay, but you have to first read their terms of service before you come and then click on the sign up. So when you click on it, you will surely see this error pop up. It simply means that you have not verified your account yet, but you have to do so. Okay, so you have to go to your email and then you have to verify your account. So as you can see, unverified. So let's go straight to our inbox. So from the inbox, they have sent us an email. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on it. And then from here, simply come and then click on the link below. Okay, so when you click on it, you are definitely going to be verified automatically. So you have been verified, and then we have been able to create our domain name for totally free, and then the registration time is free for 1 year, and this is the expiring date, okay? And then the total cost is $0. Okay, so this is actually how to get a free domain name. Okay, so from the dashboard downwards, when you come here, you are going to see that you don't only have a free domain, you also have your DNS as well. So you can come and then create your DNS records so that you can transfer your domain and all that. Okay, so this is how to get it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.